Hello again to our multiplayer course. Here we will start by changing the current armor value according to the place that is hit by the projectile. So we need to add another float, duplicate the base armor and call it current armor. Current armor. And output to 0 and on begin the play. First let's go to the replication graph, custom event, set current armor. Forget to make it server set current armor. Make a server and should be reliable. Here we get the current armor, set the current armor. You know the difference between setting the variable and getting the variable. Setting the variable, it is like saving the variable in the blueprint, and getting the variable, it's we get the latest value of this variable. Here let's comment on it, server set current armor. And let's go to begin the play to set the armor to the base armor. Here server set current armor. Now we set it here to the base armor and on the beginning play. Then after overlapping here with these hitboxes, the current armor will change. First of all, we need another boolean. Let's call it maybe let's call it weak spot and a question mark. Here it should be also replicated, and it should be on the default, it should be true, because if there is no overlapping with these boxes, it should be true. It should be weak spot, which is the other armor that does not have any armor package on it. So let's change, make it, or the category, change it to tank properties, and here you need to set this boolean to false. Also we need to make it in a custom event in a server better. Here custom event, server set is weak spot. Is weak spot boolean. Run on server reliable. Sorry, set. Well, my mouse is very bad. Now let's connect the variable here and comment on it. Let me copy this. I do not want to write it again. Now let's go back here and get server set. Server set is export boolean. Now it is false. And let me set the boolean on begin play. Let me just copy this, Control and C, and go to the begin play also here. It's better to set it on begin play. Set it to export will be here on begin play. Export will be true, because like I said, the projectile didn't overlap with any of these armor packages. We can here add a boolean to check if the other actor is the projectile, but we already set the collision here to overlap only with the projectile, only with the actor that is using for the projectile channel, which is only the projectile, so we do not need this boolean. Now that we set the export, now we need to set the current armor. Set current armor. Here for the current armor, we'll set it to be the hull side. Where is the hull side? Get the armor here, the variable. Now duplicate this here. Now only change the hull side now to the upper front plate. Put it here, and now it will change. Also duplicate to the lower turret front. The turret front, this one. The same here, also duplicate. The gun mantle armor, sorry. Also for the hull side. For the hull side, I will choose the other. Where's the other hull side? This one, because they have the same armor value, so I do not need to set it again. For the lower front plate, let's duplicate this one and choose the lower front plate and put it here in this variable. And for the turret front right, where the turret front left, and duplicate this one because they have the same armor value. Let's comment on this. Set armor value according to the area hit by projectile. Okay, we just adjust their position. Now let's go to the damage, to the event on any damage. Where is it? This only here. Here on the event any damage, first we need to change this base armor to the current armor. This is the first one. The second one, let me make some room here. Second thing is, let me just move this. Move this here and get this boolean if it is weak spot or not. If it is weak spot, the current armor should be equal to the base armor. So let me make more room, or just here, put this one here. Duplicate this. And change this current armor to the base armor, because if it is weak spot, it means that a projectile didn't overlap with any of these boxes here. So the armor value should be the default value, which is the base armor. Now after we calculated the armor according to the hitboxes, so we need to reset this weak spot boolean to be true again. So let's duplicate this one and put it here and make it true. And why we do this and make it true again? Because if we leave it false, the next time the projectile, if it hits another place that does not have these boxes and does not have its own armor, so let's say we hit the back of the tank here at the engine side. If we hit it here and we did not reset this value here, the path will go through this node again and will use the old current armor value, which is maybe it was the side or the turret. It will have a wrong value. So reset the weak spot boolean here to make sure the tank armor values are correct. So let's just here put a print string to test the armor values if they are correct. Let me change its color to red. Now let's test. Now I have this. I will move this tank and I will shoot the hull side of this tank. The hull side should be 80. Well, now it is 80. Let's shoot the upper front plate. Let's just wait for this tank to stop. Now the upper front plate should be strong and should not permit the penetration. Stop here, upper front plate, this. I will shoot it. It is 150. And let me shoot the turret, which is 250, I think. It is 250. It is not penetrating. Let me shoot the lower front plate. It should penetrate and destroy the tank. Well, I hit the upper plate. Let me shoot the lower plate. Well, the tank is moving. Let me move again and stop here. I will shoot the lower plate. Well, I didn't hit anything. We shoot again. Well, still hits the upper plate. Let me test here. Well, I shot the lower plate, but maybe it was angled. Now it is destroyed. Oh, also we did not shoot the back. Now let's see the base armor. It is also 74. Let me change it to 50. Now let's test again. Now I will go back here and shoot it at an angle to not destroy it. Now it is 80. Now I will shoot the back to make sure that it is changing to the base armor again. Well, it is dead. But why didn't it give us any value? Well, because we didn't reset the armor. Now I will put this set current armor here just for testing purposes, and I will get the current armor here. Now let's test again. I just want to see if it resets to when we hit the area with no armor package. Now let me move back. Now I will shoot. It's not destroyed. Let me go back again and shoot the area with no armor. Okay, now it's working fine. I think this is enough for this video, and we will continue on making our tank. You will see now the tank is becoming realistic, and it is becoming like a real tank. It has hit boxes and armor packages, and we will add in the next video some hit modules like an engine and a gun breech and ammo rack, and like if you shoot the ammo rack it will explode immediately, and if you shoot the engine it will stop the tank. It will not be able to move until it is repaired. So this will be added in the next videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.